In ice cream.
No, mommy.
Telling lies.
No, mommy.
Open your mouth.
We.
Lakas pa. Open your mouth.
Oh, I did. Oh,
Sakit teeth.
Pin.
Eating ice cream.
Eating ice cream.
Open your mouth.
Lakas, lakas. Lakas. Lakas.
Jillian.
Yes, Daddy.
Eating ice cream.
No, mommy.
Telling lies.
No, mommy.
Open your mouth. Galing.
Bunga nga.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, Jillian.
Eating gulay.
Yes, Jillian.
They don't like.
No, Jillian.
Open the mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yun.
Galing mo. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Nahuli ko rin.
Yay! Wow!
Bawal. Uy, magaling kayo mag-English na si Jillian.
Oo.
Jillian. Lang.
Yes, Jillian.
Abay chocolate.
Chocolate. Gusto mo na yung chocolate? Ang galing na mag-kutsara. oh. Ang galing na mag-kutsara ni Jillian.
Oh.
No?
I like chocolate and ice cream. Baby ice cream.
So nice. Gusto mo na yung ice cream na?
Jillian.
Mommy. Mommy!
Yes, Jillian.
Eating gulay.
Yes, Jillian.
They don't like.
No, Jillian.
Open the mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Twinkle naman.
Twinkle,
Mami.
twinkle.
Mommy. Mommy!
Yes, Jillian.
Magaling
Eating
talaga si
tubig.
Jillian.
No, Jillian.
Eating
They
tubig.
don't like.
No, Jillian.
Open the mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Galing.
Hindi tubig. Pag nasalitahan ng English, naiintindihan mo, yung bata yan, 4 years old, naiintindihan. Yung galing ano, English daw yung salita niya.
Jillian.
Yes, Daddy.
Eating ice cream.
No,
Ang galing naman
Daddy.
ganito.
Telling lies.
No, Daddy.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
We.
Jillian mo, ang puso ko. Wala na yung stuck ng bunga niya.
Oh.
Ouch.
Away ipin.
May ipin.
Let's go na ba, Chuchi? Let's go. Asang tubig no? Asang tubig?
Sabi mo nanay, tubig nanay please. Sabi mo, water please.
Aka na.
Ako na. Ano sabihin mo?
Take nanay.
Oh, galing nililis nanay.
Sumama this, please.
Saan mami mo?
Sumama this.
Kung saan ka pupunta? Punta naman yung sa bahay niyo.
Pardon.
La, kainin mo na ice cream. Matunaw na.
Jillian Kylie, where are you?
Watch TV, watch I do.
Jillian Kylie, what do you do? Watching TV.
Yes, I do.
Jillian,
Yes, Daddy.
watching TV,
No, Daddy.
telling lies.
No, Daddy.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Twinkles.
Daddy.
Jillian Kylie, where are you? Here I am.
Daddy figure.
What do you do? Watching TV, that's what I do.
Daddy figure. Watch TV.
Jillian Kylie, where are you?
Watch your TV. With what to do.
Jillian,
Yes, Daddy.
what are you doing?
We friends.
Telling lies.
No, Daddy.
Open your mouth.
Daddy.
That
Daddy.
Yes, Jillian.
Daddy.
Where is ate? Where is ate? Kitabu.
Saan papita ka?
Mm. Jillian Kylie. Jillian.
Yes, this is time.
Jillian. Where is ate?
Yeah.
Jillian. Oh,
It's my cat. It's my cat.